Why people? The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce is now available. Yes, $4.99. Get yours ASAP. Quick. You can tag us and you can scan the code on the back. It takes you straight through to the Cook and Vibe channel. Yes, people, get yours now. The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce. Why? Why? Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Yeah, I hope everybody is all right. You get me? Sun is shining, smiles on everybody's face. You get me? So today, people, if you noticed before in previous episodes, I had my own hot sauce. Yes, the passion fruit hot sauce. Well, people, it is available again, but now it is a new, improved recipe. It's new labels, new design, new bottles. Everything is new. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, as you can see there, the front is completely different. We've got a brand new set out for the label, and as you can look on the back, you can just tag us on Instagram. You can scan the code. Yeah, all these things. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's a good look, people. Do you know what I'm saying? The brand new hot sauce is out, the new recipe. Do you understand? So what we're gonna do today is we are gonna show you some recipes for the hot sauce. If you wanna buy the hot sauce, then you're gonna know what to do with it. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, today is all about the brand new passion fruit hot sauce. Oi, so we got our hot sauce there. You get me? Yeah, and we've got a few little ingredients. You know what I'm saying? We're outside. See the okra plant there. We've got okra growing on there. We're set up outside. So right now, we're just waiting for the coal. You know what I'm saying? And we show you what I want. The first recipe we're gonna be doing is a chicken recipe. Passion fruit chicken.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Who's McGrill's jerkyard? I got your yard. Yeah. So first of all, clean your chicken. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get thighs and I'm gonna cut it, piece off the thigh like that, okay? And then chop that in half. You got 3 parts to the thigh. And the reason we're gonna do that is because you're gonna get the flavor a lot more into these little parts here rather than having a big piece of chicken. You know what I'm saying? So, we've got our chicken. So we're ready to marinate our chicken. So let's move the onions out of the way and get started with marinating our chicken. And what we got here is the passion fruit hot sauce, the Cook and Vibe passion fruit hot sauce. Obviously, I've got my own supply. Do you know what I mean, people? So boom, there we go. We've got our chicken here. What we've got here is some lovely spices from Jamaica. This pink one is really authentic. So we're gonna get some of that pink one on there. Yeah, get some of the pink one on there. And then we've got another one from Jamaica, which is an all-purpose seasoning. So we're gonna get a little bit of that on there as well. Again, you can use any seasoning you want for this. This is some season to the bone seasoning from Jamaica as well. We're gonna get that on there. Like I said, you can use any spice, any all-purpose seasoning, any paprika, anything you want to use with this, it will all work. Do you know what I'm saying? I've got some easy spice chicken seasoning as well. I'm just gonna get a good bit of that on there. So that is our chicken with the dry seasoning. We're gonna go and rub the dry seasoning in, and then we will go in for the Cook and Vibe marination. Oi! As you can see, chicken nice and marinated with the dry seasoning. Now we're just gonna, now remember this is pepper in here, so we don't want to go too crazy with it. I would recommend, if you're gonna marinate in it, use a one bottle, the one small bottle like that. Do you know what I'm saying? And what I can tell you about this hot sauce, I really go to the extent to get the best ingredients that goes into this people. I get the best Scotch bonnets you can get. I get the best passion fruits you can get. I get the best beep. Yeah, you think you're getting all the recipe. No, sir. So that was perfect. That was perfect. You might not even need to use a whole bottle. But there we have it. Look, we've got the Cook and Vibe passion fruit hot sauce chicken marination. Now, you don't want to be leaving this for anything less than half an hour. You've got to give that half an hour marination at least. Do it overnight. Do it overnight. You get me? And just leave it overnight and make it rest and secaline. You see me? Yeah, man, the Cook and Vibe passion fruit hot sauce. Check the back out, tag us on Instagram, scan the code. Woyoy! Woyoy! There we go. Chicken on the grill, Cook and Vibe passion fruit hot sauce. It's a mad thing. It's the best hot sauce out there. Don't tell me now. Hot sauce, man said hot sauce. You see me? Yeah. So we are going barbecue up the passion fruit hot sauce chicken. Make that run. Yeah. So we can get on to the next recipe that I'm going to show you. Woyoy! Nicely, people. You can smell the marination. You can smell that Scotch bonnet, that passion fruit, that beep. You can't get all the secret recipes locked away in one box like Coca-Cola. That me I tell you. You can't find it. Cook and Vibe. Woyoy. Get your hot sauce ASAP. To get yours, contact me on Instagram or email. Okay? I'm gonna leave it all the instructions in the description below to get yours. All right, so the Cook and Vibe passion fruit hot sauce chicken is cooking. Now gonna do a shrimp recipe. Yeah, shrimp recipe, nice, easy, quick and simple. If you have a look at that down here, yeah, you can have a look down here if you've got some red onion. We've got a Scotch bonnet, we've got some garlic, we've got scallion, and we've got some thyme, and obviously we're going to use some seasonings and the hot sauce that we've got there. So yeah, man, I'm going to show you wagwan. First of all, we're going to cut up the onion. There we go, our onion. Cut that up nicely. Basically what we're going to do, people, is just going to add it all in to here straight away for the marination. Woyoy. Yes, people, so we've got most of our Scotch bonnet. I'll just cut the Scotch bonnet in half there quickly. We've got our garlic and everything in there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go in some seasoning, some dry seasoning. If you've ever seen this pink seasoning before, very authentic in Jamaica. It's a chicken seasoning, but you know, you can use it on anything. So a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a piece of that. All purpose, easy spice. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this round quickly. I don't want to touch up my hand with that Scotch bonnet too much. That should be good. And then we just go in for a nice marination. And there we go. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Or just use gloves. So sometimes it's better to get your hands in there and get it all proper mixed in. But yeah, basically what we're gonna do with this, people, is we're literally just gonna chuck the whole thing in the pan and cook it like that. Yeah, man, Cook and Vibe hot sauce, passion fruit hot sauce. It's such a big long name with a shrimp. Yeah, my little grabber farm. Yeah, Willie Pa grabber. If you don't know what grabber is tobacco. Yeah, you got some small ones there. Bigger ones here. These ones are even starting to seed. Should have grown bigger than that really, but yeah. Pumpkin there. We have a nice pumpkin down here if we can find it. Why, yoy! See there? Yeah, man. Why, people? So, like I said, everything is just going straight in. Why, Cook and Vibe, passion fruit, hot sauce, shrimp. Spread that out nicely. And we just go on, make that cook. And a couple minutes, man. That's all that it takes to cook shrimp. It don't take long, just to get them flavors in there and everything in there. You know what I'm saying? What? Oi, people, we've got a whole setup of the Cook and Vibe hot sauce recipes for you to try out when you get your passion fruit hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? See the chicken there, looking good. See the little marination still stuck to it on the side and thing. We've got our prawns. Yeah, looking real good. And this is a little thing that I'm gonna show you in a minute. All right? Yes, people, so look, here we have it. All right, here's our plate of passion fruit Cook and Vibe hot sauce recipes you can try. We got the shrimp, we got the chicken, and we got this little thing. So I'm gonna show you this little thing. So what I done when I was on Jamaican cigarettes one night and I was there and I was very hungry, I didn't have nothing. All I had was Ritz crackers. I've used these, right? I've got Ritz crackers, I've put a bit of onion, right, and just a little tiny bit of hot sauce like that, right? I promise you. That little combination there is a wicked savoury little snack. So you can use it as dipping and everything like that. You see, we got the chicken marinated in the sauce and we put a little extra on top. You got to have a little extra. That's really nice. It's not too spicy. The pepper's there. The flavour of the Scotch bonnet's there. And it's got a sweetness. It's got a sweetness. The passion fruits give it a nice sweetness. And got a bit of chicken stuck in my teeth. That is really nice. So, there you go. Just that one. Last but not least, the shrimp. Got a nice bit of all the vegetables. Get away, fly, you ain't having none. And wow. Like the flies, them like the hot sauce as well. That is 10-10. No worry about the fly. That is 10-10. Honestly, shrimp and all that soaked up the flavour. Amazingly. If you like intense intense flavors, in a nice bit of spice and intense flavors, shrimp's your one. If you like a little bit of milder and you're just easy with it, the chicken's for you. If you just want to have a little snack when you're bridging them around or something, the onion, the Ritz cracker, and the hot sauce is 10-10. I promise you people, there's no lies here. It really is what it is. Make sure you get your bottle. Every information is in the description below. Contact me on Instagram. If you haven't got Instagram, just email me. You can pay via PayPal or bank transfer and it'll be sent in the post. Cook on Vibe hot sauce, it's a mad thing. Believe me, if you ain't got none, you're losing. And if you have got it and you have bought the sauce already, let me know what you like the sauce with. Let me know what you use it for. Big up section, and see you next week.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. You don't know, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. To get your hot sauce, just contact me on Instagram or send me an email if you don't use Instagram. Yeah, man, I'm really excited about this new hot sauce. It really is amazing. I can't express to you even more. I had a long day today, people. I've been traveling for 10 hours to perform in Nottingham today. It was crazy. You'll see some footage real soon. But big up Juicy Burgers. Yeah, big up Juicy Burgers. It's an island spice Jamaican jerk seasoning and barbecue chicken season is exactly what I saw on Freelance Chucky channel with Simon Backpack. I love watching Cook on Vibe. It's my favorite cooking show in the whole world. M.R is my inspiration in life and his music is awesome. He's also a great person, inspired to be more like this gentleman. I inspired to be more like this gentleman. Love you, M.R. One love from Washington, Whidbey Island. Big up yourself, my bro. That was a nice message. Yeah, man, I try my best to be who I am. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, music king, Cook on Vibe. Yeah, he's a double threat. And also big up Gloria Graham. She says, just watching Country File on TV, warnings about bird flu. Well, flu, if you get another lockdown due to you and Ringo, stick to ITO food from now on, you idiots. Love yous. And she was talking about bird flu regarding us cooking a pigeon. If you ain't seen us cooking a pigeon yet, you need to go check out that episode. Catch and cooking pigeon in Trafalgar Square. It's crazy. Yeah, so you don't know, people, that was today's episode. We are coming to the end of the season. Yeah, we're coming to the end of the season, so there's going to be a few more episodes, probably about 4 more episodes, and then we will be coming to the closure of season 7. You see me? And then we will have a week, maybe a week, 2 weeks off, and then season 8. It will be great. Go on, tell your mate. Why, I'll see you next time.